Hello students, good morning. Today I'm going to teach you about the cartoon reading as I told it in my previous video also regarding that, and you know that it will carry 5 to 6 marks in your final exam, written exam also. Regarding activity also, you have to be very careful, you have to read these cartoons carefully, and cartoon making is a very artistic quality whatsoever cartoonist tries to convey that message. You have to read. Sometime it is satirically, sometime it is some witty manner, and sometime it is another manner. You have to go through very clearly. I'm trying my best to give you view regarding this. Like this is the cartoon from chapter number your chapter first, India, partition of India. At that time what was there just after the partition? In my previous cartoon reading lecture I told you that just after that there was there were some problems regarding their elections, right? Here the cartoonist has tried to show that you may see that one person is here on the tree, right? I'm from right hand side. Many people are downstairs and raising hands and very eager to see what the election committee will select, what the election committee is going to declare. That were the first election in India in 1952, and in between that is the leader of Congress party Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. There is some other leaders, Vallabhbhai Patel, some other important political leaders are there, and they are whatsoever they are discussing, they are some on the higher platform. That symbolizes that common people don't know what will happen there, and accordingly what type of decisions would be taken. And you may see this crowd also, crowd is eagerly waiting that what the decision they will take and what the announcement would be there, and everybody hopes that the decision would be in their favor, that would be um, uh, in their support, whatsoever they wanted, accordingly decision would be taken. And in this way, that you may see that one person that is hanging on the tree, that symbolizes, that used as personification for the elections. So there is one, there is distance also, he cannot join them, but he is trying to listen each and everything. Mean to say he is more eager than the crowd, than the crowd that are people are standing below that election commission box. And in this way, at that time, through this cartoon, the cartoonist has tried to show the eagerness, show the curiosity among the citizen of India regarding coming elections. And this next picture is also related to that type of elections also. On my left hand side, that is this picture, there is one wheel of the cycle, right? It is regarding that chapter number 3, planning commission. Chapter number 3, your planning commission, how this Nehru ji in the center trying to balance the rural area as well as urban areas. In other words, we can say that he is trying to balance the agricultural sector as well as the industrial sector. And another illustration is also there. The cartoonist has tried to show the mixed economy. You may see that person is very fatty, holding the things very strongly, and he is capitalist and showing his capitalist ideology. And lower people who are there, different political leader, public sector, private and public sector is shown. The lower side people also represent the public sector, and this upper person shows the private sector. Mean to say, private sector people are less interested, and here people are more interested, as we can count them from the number of the people. So in between, Nehruji, who executive all this work, trying to balance the planning, and on right hand side you may see some leaders, political leaders, and there is written that word plan also, third 5 year plan. And some here it is Indira Gandhi, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and some other political leaders. There is a gap between also plan. One leader is standing giving some lecture, and others are listening. In between there is a gap is regarding, mean to say, when 1952 elections were held, then first 5 year plan was launched, and after that, when third plan is to be launched, there was some gap in between. You may see two people are there and some bag is there. They are shown as taking as snacks, कि थोड़ी देर आप लोग स्नैक्स लो, थोड़ा रिफ्रेश हो, तब तक हम लोग आपस में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. जो खड़े हैं लीडर, ही इज the ruling party, and others are from the opposition party, and they are planning for the next session, next 5 year plan. So in this way, dear students, please take care. One position of the people, gestures of the people, and some pictures whatsoever have been drawn, you have to see it according to the basics of your chapter. One thing more I would like to tell you here, that all the cartoons are there, all are not important. I am telling you uh, with my experience what type of cartoons are mostly asked, that I have mentioned here. And first we'll do this, after all we'll see how we have to proceed further. And it is very small, symbolic, although it won't be asked, but 1 mark question it is important. For 1 mark question it is important, because this was the very first symbol of Congress party, Indian National Congress Party. But nowadays there is hand, right? आजकल इसका जो है, हाँ वो हैंड है हमारा इस टाइप से. तो अर्लियर दिस सिंबल वाज यूज्ड, इट इज ओनली सिंबॉलिक. And very important, and very different type of personifications are here for this cartoon reading. As I'm going to tell you, you may see that there is a tree, people are hanging on, some people are there on the tree sitting, you may say comfortably. जहाँ मैंने important लिखा है तो उसी के साथ. एंड some people are sitting besides them, राइट? उनके पीछे बैठे हैं कुछ लोग. एंड some people are there, they are pulling the rope, and that rope is also symbolic, mean to say that is the ruling party. And this party, regarding election, they are in the opposition, and they are trying to pull them from the root, like they wanted that they should be expelled from the political system. And next time when would be elections would be there, and this opposition, यहाँ विपक्ष लिखा हुआ है, तो they are they trying to be in power. So in this way there are a backside, some crowd is there, they are watching, they are trying to understand what to do, how to do what these people are doing. And still you may see that there are some people sitting besides, they are enjoying the power. In other words we can say they are hereditary over there, राइट? उनको ये लग रहा है कोई भी सरकार आएगी, कुछ भी होगा, ओपोजिशन आएगा या रूलिंग पार्टी आएगी, वी वुड बी हियर ओनली. तो दैट टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम वाज देयर इन इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स during the time of 1952 to 65, and you have read it in your chapters also. In this way, this rope symbolic, tree symbolic, the sitting posture is symbolic. Some people are sitting beside and some are downside, and this shows that how the tug of war is going on the basis of election in Indian democratic system. And next one is regarding the elections that were 1952, 57, 62, and 67. This is the all about the influence of the Congress. You may see on this map only one area that is highlighted with blue color and one area that is highlighted with red color. Kerala and Jammu Kashmir, except these states, all over there is in India, Congress party dominated. So sometime it is others. These people are hereditary government. They are dictator here, as we have studied in our chapter also. कि कोई भी गवर्नमेंट बार बार आ रही है, जहाँ वो हर बार आती है, तो इट मीन्स दैट इज 100% करेक्ट, बट इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. बट देयर मे बी समथिंग रॉन्ग, जिसे हम कहते हैं दाल में कुछ काला होगा. हमने कांग्रेस पार्टी के सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ा है कि किस टाइप से उन्होंने 1967 के जो इलेक्शंस थे, फिर प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन था, हाउ दिस whole process was going on. So in this way I have told you regarding Indian political system. Then this and during the time of the election, how political parties ruling as well as opposition working. Then I told you the previous symbol of Congress in the beginning, but after when these elections were held, after, from that since our we Congress has hand as a symbol. Then I told you these two cartoons regarding planning commission, first 5 year plan, second and third, and how people are trying to balance the things in front of the people and trying to show, demonstrate their best policy and trying to implement the best policy within the country. And the very first that was also related to elections of 1952, how people were trying, how people were eagerly waiting, how they were so curious regarding the elections, because it was very important, it was very crucial time period for Indian people. For the first time, there were elections are to be held based upon adult franchise system, divide of any type of discrimination. So this much student in this video, try to understand the things clearly, and I'll send you some more videos regarding this cartoon reading. For any query you may ask me anytime in my WhatsApp group and others. Thank you. Bye students.